Have you ever had a moment where someone asked, "How are you doing?" And you said, "Hey, I'm fine," even though you weren't? We all do this, not because we're hiding something, but because talking about stress, overwhelm, or mental health can feel uncomfortable, can feel unfamiliar, or even unsafe. We saw this message shared across the country a few weeks ago for Bell Let's Talk Day, a reminder that silence often does more harm than honesty. And that message feels especially heavy today on World Cancer Day. For those of you navigating a diagnosis, supporting a loved one through treatment, or carrying the weight of loss, the hard things can feel impossible to put into words. But whether it's our mental health or a physical battle, we weren't meant to carry it alone. So today, let's talk about why opening up is so hard and how to make it feel a little easier. I'm Rob from RTJ Wellness, a longtime teacher, coach, and someone who's helped thousands of people across Alberta understand stress, resilience, and emotional well-being in a simple human way. And here's something I know from years of working in schools, boardrooms, and community organizations. Most people aren't struggling because they're weak. They're struggling because they're trying to handle everything on their own. Bell Let's Talk Day is an invitation to do the opposite, to connect, reach out, and let people in. When stress builds up, your nervous system moves into self-protection mode. Increased cortisol, more reactivity, shorter patience. But connection does the opposite. It calms the system, slows the heart rate, and it reminds the brain that we are not alone. From a biological standpoint, human beings regulate best in relationships, not in isolation. A quick conversation, even a 30-second check-in, releases oxytocin, that hormone that signals safety and trust. This is why talking helps. Not because it fixes the problem, but because it shifts the internal state of the person carrying it. That shift is often the first step toward healing, clarity, or action. If connection is so powerful, why don't we do it more often? One, we don't want to burden others. We assume our struggles are small or not worth mentioning. Secondly, we fear judgment. We worry people will think less of us if we admit we're overwhelmed. And thirdly, we've been trained to power through, especially in workplaces. Many people believe vulnerability equals weakness. But the truth is this: talking about your mental health is not a burden, not a failure, and not a weakness. It is a human skill, one that can be learned, practiced, and strengthened. Ever wonder how to start a conversation? Here's a simple framework I share in the resilience sessions I deliver with organizations. Number one, keep it small. You don't need a speech, just a sentence. I've been carrying a lot today. I'm feeling stretched thin. I could use someone to talk to are great examples of that. Secondly, keep it honest. Say what's true without dramatizing or minimizing. And thirdly, keep it specific. I'm feeling overwhelmed at work. I'm feeling anxious about my health. I'm feeling exhausted and not sure why. Small, clear statements unlock support. And if you're on the receiving end, all you need to say is, "I'm here, tell me more." Connection will do the rest. Before starting a tough conversation, emotions often spike. Your heart races, your chest tightens, and your thoughts speed up. Here's where the ABC 123 Stress Buster becomes incredibly valuable. A, acknowledge. I'm feeling nervous. I'm feeling overwhelmed. I'm carrying something heavy. B, breathe. Slow, intentional breaths bring the body back into balance. And C, choose. Choose one supportive action. Sending a text, asking a colleague for 5 minutes, or simply saying, "Can we talk?" does wonders. Then count 1, 2, 3, a cue to step forward. This simple process calms the body so that conversation becomes possible. Before you reach out or before you respond to someone else, ask this: does this help me decompress? Talking to the right person often does. Does it help me grow? Honest conversations build emotional strength. And does it connect me to my why? Does it connect me to my why? Your why might be your family, your health, your purpose, your team. Whatever it is, communication strengthens those connections. The DGW filter helps ensure that your conversations are aligned with how you want to show up at work and at home. Bell Let's Talk Day may have passed, but the truth is every day is an opportunity to check in on yourself and the people around you. Talking doesn't mean oversharing. It doesn't mean having all the answers. It simply means choosing connection over silence. So here's your invitation. Reach out to one person today and ask them how they're doing and really listen to their answer. Share honestly if you're carrying something heavy and give someone else a safe place to land. And remember, conversations don't solve everything, but they open the door to healing, understanding, compassion, and hope. If you found this helpful, click the link below and subscribe to RTJ Wellness. Share this video with someone who could use a check-in today, and let me know in the comments who is one person you can reach out to right now to check in. I'm Rob from RTJ Wellness, helping you live well from the inside out.